Hey, my name is Kasper.
And my name is Søren. For the next 5 minutes we would like to present to you our avatar.
Yes, and we would like to present our tactic for how we are going to gain followers, as many as possible, and our tactic for retweeting, plus our awesome stealth bot tactic.
And overall, our goal is to achieve to get as many followers as possible in the shortest time possible. Cheers!
I would like to introduce our avatar, Ashley Clarefield, aka Happy Times 18. Ashley Clarefield is a very happy person, as you can see. She very much enjoy and love Taylor Swift and flowers in general, just looking for having a good time. We have used all the theory from class to gain followers and tweet and how to retweet. But we ran into this very big problem that we got banned several times and we have to apply for reopening and all this stuff, and now they won't open it anymore. But yeah, we believe that the reason we have been banned is because we ran into Twitter's API limits very fast, and that is why we came up with this new self-bot tactic, as we will explain you in a bit.
Our stealth tactic is pretty straightforward. Instead of using the Twitter API, we will be using the Twitter web UI to interact with Twitter and to gather information. To make Twitter interactions, that would be to follow and unfollow people, and to make retweets, we'll be using a headless browser, for example phantom.js. And to gather information, we'll be using web scraping tools like Scrapy and HTML XPath tools to get Twitter accounts and follow accounts. This way we hope we can make more interactions with Twitter, follow and unfollow more people, without getting busted by Twitter and without going into the weight limits.
We expect that most bots on Twitter are females, and that is why we have chosen to work as a male to remain as stealth as possible. Our new profile is called Max Power, as you can see in the picture, and he is 15 years old. He loves Justin Bieber, soccer and video games.
Our tactic to gain as many followers as possible is the following. First off, we will be using a bias naive classifier to make sure we are only following humans. At the same time, we'll be using the classifier to classify people's tweets and then see if there's a correlation between people with a specific label, for example romantic, and people's willingness to follow back. At the same time, we'll be using the sentiment of people's tweets and see if we can find a correlation in high or low sentiments and people's willingness to follow us back. Lastly, we'll be using a network theory to find new human followers from the human followers we already have. When retweeting, we'll be using tweets from our followers and from public sources. Before we retweet, we'll use bias classifier to label the tweets and see if there's a correlation between specific labels and people's tendency to retweet our tweets. At the same time, we'll be using regression to make sure we're only tweeting popular tweets.